Hello everybody, how's it going? Today we're going to have problem number 25. It's about to write a program to fill an array elements with random numbers from 1 to 100, then sum all the numbers of the array. Also exactly same like the previous two problems. We're just this time going to sum all the numbers or the random numbers that the compiler going to return them to the user on console screen. For example, if the user input 5, the output array elements are 77, 88, 38, 399. So we will print this string. After that, the number in the array after we sum them are 323, because if you sum all this number it will give you 323. So now let's go to Visual Studio to see how we're gonna convert this requirement into code. Everything same like the previous problem. We'll just say, for example, we change the variable name from the smallest num to the sum the elements, for example, and we say sum the elements plus equal array of I. We'll take the first number in the first index of the array. We will store it or assign it to the variable that we change its name from the smallest number to the sum the elements. Let's go to Visual Studio to see how we did it. Alright, this is our solution of problem number 25. Write a program to fill an array elements with random numbers from 1 to 100 like the previous problem. Then sum all the numbers of the array. We will start to do run first the program to understand what I mean. How many elements do you want to get randomly? 5 numbers I want to get randomly. Array elements are 36, 55, 58, 43, 33, 13. And we print this string after that. The numbers in the array after we sum them are 183, because if you take all these elements, all these numbers, send them to each other, you will get this final number, 183. So the program is same like the previous problems. Same, the first function generate random number. I will just open it for you. Same, the procedure, get array elements with random number. Same also, don't forget to do here by ref, okay, to use it in the main function. Display array also same procedure. We don't change anything. Its name, the logic inside it same. This function we change it from the smallest number in the array to the add all the numbers in the array. We just change the name of the function. All right, let's open it to see the logic inside it. It's easy. You don't change so much inside it. Integer I equal 0. And integer sum the elements. We change the name of the variable from smallest num or biggest num to the sum the elements. We just play with the names basically of the array of the variables. All right, battery equal 0, and we said while I, which is 0 now, while I less than array of length, let's say array of length number 5, as I insert it on the screen once I did run to the program. And we will say sum the elements plus equal array of I. We will take the first number, it will be stored in the first index of the array, we'll assign it to the sum the elements plus equal. You should already know what does this mean, okay? And I plus plus, we will move the array to go to the second index of the array to catch the second number, and we will say 1 less than array of length, yes, go inside it, sum the elements plus equal array of I. Take the second number in the second index or in the second position of the array, we store it or we add it to the previous number with using these operators plus equal array of I. It will add the second number on the first number that we already assigned to the sum the elements variable, and in the end we will return sum the elements, it will return for us the numbers after we sum them. And here in the main function also is same like the previous two problems. We just play a little bit with the string. Everything is same. It's run the same procedure, same string here, same procedures too. Everything from here to here is same. We don't change anything since the last two lessons. We just play with this string here a little bit. The numbers in the array after we send them are okay, and we call the function that we change its name and a little bit inside it the logic. Add all the numbers in the array. We give it array and give it array length, and the compiler will display it for us. Let's do run again. Check it out together. How many elements do you want to get randomly? 5. Array elements are 80, 74, 8, 14, 65. The numbers in the array after we sum them are 244. If you account all these numbers, it will give you 244. So that was the problem of today, problem number 25. Write a program to fill an array elements with random numbers from 1 to 100, then sum all the numbers of the array. See you next problem, next lesson.